Grab your hat, grab your gear.
Time for an adventure.
The alphabet safari
Ready to explore.
is finally here. Come along with me.
Wow!
Underneath
so
the big green tree.
Hello, jungle.
Learning letters one by one. Safari adventure has begun.
Do you see the letter A? Look,
A is
over
for
there.
alligator, sleeping in the sun. B is for bear, sitting having fun. C is for cheetah, resting in the shade. D is for dolphin, watching waves
A,
fade.
B, C, D.
So
Let's learn and
many
play.
letters,
So many
so
friends on
much
this
to
bright
see.
sunny day.
The alphabet safari
Wow!
for you
Everything's so big.
and me.
Hello, jungle.
E is for elephant, walking slow and gray. F is for flamingo, standing all the day. G is for giraffe, stretching up so high. H is for hippo, waving a quiet goodbye. I is for iguana, hiding in the green. J is for jaguar, peaceful and serene. K is for koala, hugging a small tree. L is for lion, resting happily.
A, B, C, D. Let's
So
learn and play.
many letters,
So many friends
so
on this bright
much to
sunny
see.
day. Time for an
The
adventure.
alphabet safari for
Ready to
you
explore.
and me.
Hooray!
M is for monkey, looking at the sky. N is for nightingale, singing a lullaby. O is for owl, blinking in the dark. P is for panda, sitting in the park. Q is for quail, sitting very still. R is for rabbit, resting on the hill. S is for swan, floating in the lake. T is for turtle, a slow step to take. U is for now, sleeping upside down. V is for vicuna, walking near the town. W is for whale, blowing water
Good night,
slow.
majestic friend.
X is
Good
for
night, little
X-ray
sleeper.
fish,
I'll see you in
shining
my
with a
dreams.
glow. Y is for yak, standing in the snow. Z is for zebra, watching grass grow.
A, B, C, D. Let's learn and play.
A to Z,
So many friends on this
animals
bright sunny
we
day.
see. Sweet dreams, buddies, sleep happily.